Namaskar, I am Manoj Kumar. Welcome to in the program Press Meet. In this program, we cover press conference, media interaction, and a speech of the chief guest at the program. So, without spending so much time, let's go to the event.
I am Professor Usha Venkatachalam Datta. I am Head Department of Gastroenterology at PGI Chandigarh. Department of Gastroenterology at PGI Chandigarh organizes an annual program to train postgraduates in managing GI emergencies. Why postgraduates? Because postgraduates are the doctors who are handling emergencies day to day. And if they are equipped with knowledge and skills, the patient's survival chances will improve. The second thing is why emergencies. Emergencies is a time sensitive zone where the patient comes, there is a risk of life and death. So if the doctor initiates treatment in the right way at the right time as soon as possible, there is a greater chance of survival of the patient. So we also made a mobile app about 8 years back, which has more than 8,500 users. This is to have the knowledge on the fingertips of the doctors. It is a simple free mobile app which tells them how to manage 15 GI emergencies. So people in India as well as abroad are using this app. The other thing is that in gastroenterology there's a lot of interventions. Bleeding ho raha hai, we have to stop it. Patients may come with a blocked bile duct, may come with a blocked intestine. So these things all have to be opened up. Now with endoscopy we can all open up these kind of things, and this will improve the quality of life of patients. Earlier only difficult surgeries needed to be done. These patients are quite often very sick. They cannot be taken up for surgery. So a simple, fast, efficient endoscopic procedure can help. In order to train them in endoscopy, they need a skill set. For that skill set, we have a very focused program, hands-on program with 15 stations in which they can learn how to do each procedure effectively and efficiently on models. So once they train on models, then they can go and do it later on in their own institutions under the supervision of their faculty. So PGI has been a reputed institute for training. Now we cannot train all the 250 people for 3 years. So all these students would have liked to study in PGI, but we have created a 3-day program so that instead of 3 years, in 3 days, in an encapsulated way, they can come and learn the key aspects and go and follow up. And after that, they are in touch with us if they need any troubleshooting, any learning process. So learning is a lifelong process. This is a small capsule to improve their quality of learning.
And this program you have started, and how many students have learned so far?
In this program, every year we train on an average. Initially it was 100 students, then became 150, 200, now it's 250. So we have been on an average training about 200, 250 students who are coming from the other cities. Apart from that, our own MD students and DM students also will go on training. So it is a minimum of 250 for the last 8 years, and so that amounts to about more than 2,000 people whom we have trained over the last 2 years, last 7-8 years.
They are also taught about new innovations, a new method of treating the patients. No?
Yes. Every day there are new innovations, new research which tells us which is the way to treat this patient in the best possible way, so that the patient doesn't deteriorate, improves faster, and can go back to his own home and work faster.
The doctors across the country is attending this program, right?
Yes, there are people from South India, North India, East India, West India, Central India, Kashmir, Assam, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Everybody is coming here because we select each institute, ask their head of the departments to nominate 2 students here. So only 2 people from institutions can come here, and next year it will be a new set of students. So it is always in a running thing, and students want more and more to attend it. We cannot accommodate more than 250, and we do it on an annual basis because we need a lot of infrastructure and equipment as well as time of our faculty to organize this program on a regular basis.
So when this program will start?
This program will start today at 3 p.m. in Zakir Hall, where we have all the hands-on equipments which we have got from various places. After that we'll go on till 9 p.m. today. That's the skill-based program, and from tomorrow we will have 2 days of panel discussions and state-of-the-art lectures, orations, as well as we would have several specific lectures on very pointed topics by national experts of reputation from other institutions like All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Then we will have somebody from Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, somebody from CMC Vellore, some people from KEM Mumbai, from Calcutta, from SGPJ Lucknow, head of SGPJ Lucknow will be there, head of AIIMS New Delhi will be there. So we will have a large number of such people to come and deliberate on topics.
This is the eighth edition, and how has been so far regarding
Oh,
the
it has
performance?
been really challenging and satisfying, because it is satisfying that postgraduate institute which has been come by the mandate of the Government of India, by the Parliament, to foster postgraduate training, and we as a postgraduate training institute are not only taking care of our own postgraduates but also taking care of the postgraduates in the country.
How many patients are being admitted in PGI on daily basis?
On daily basis in the outpatient, in the clinic we see about 500 patients. So we have 3 clinics, we see about 300 to 500 patients on a regular basis. In the emergency, every day we have minimum about 50 patients pertaining to gastroenterology, which our resident doctor goes, sees, comes and discusses with us, does endoscopy for them, and then we can send them. So some patients need endoscopy, some patients just need a consultation, some people need a CT scan. So different things are required for patients. So our one doctor is on 24-hour duty to manage any emergencies anywhere in the whole hospital related to gastroenterology. And there's one dedicated consultant who manages emergencies for the whole hospital. So we have a roster of 10 days. 10 days, one consultant and one senior resident who's 24 hours on call to handle any emergencies related to gastroenterology.